Hey Felix, should we go for a walk and see some birds?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Felix, how do you say bird in Chinese?
鸟.
Niao. Niao. Excellent. Okay. Oh wow. Felix, is that a penguin? It is. How do you say penguin in Chinese?
企鹅.
企 企 Penguins, wow. Oh my god, I've seen a pheasant! There's a pheasant over there! First a penguin, now a pheasant. How do you say pheasant in Chinese?
野鸡.
Yeah, G. Yeah, G. Wow, penguins and pheasants, fantastic. What else are we going to see? Is that a woodpecker? That is, it's a woodpecker. How do you say woodpecker?
啄木鸟.
啄木鸟. 啄木鸟. Wow, excellent. What else are we going to see? Oh my god, it's a flamingo! I love flamingos! How do you say flamingo?
Very delicious.
We're just watching today, Felix, and not eating. How do you say flamingo?
火烈鸟.
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 火烈鸟. Okay. Oh wow, that's a colourful one. Is that a toucan? I think it is. It's a toucan. How do you say toucan?
巨嘴鸟.
巨嘴鸟. 巨嘴鸟. And what do we have here? We have, I think, that is, yes, it's an owl. How do you say owl?
猫头鹰.
猫头鹰. 猫头鹰. What a variety of birds today. Oh wow, nearly hit my head. That is an eagle. How do you say eagle?
No, I can't see it.
You can't see.
Okay, but 鹰.
Ying. I think it was an eagle. Maybe it was a penguin. Oh, I've lost the plot. And we have a number of birds over here. We have some pigeons. How do you say pigeons, Felix?
鸽子.
鸽子. 鸽子. Okay, coming up to some nice ponds now. In the ponds we have lots of, yeah, they are indeed swans. How do you say swan?
天鹅.
天鹅. 天鹅. God, we've been so lucky today. So many birds.
Yeah, so many food.
And now we have, oh look at that tail, that is a peacock. What a beautiful peacock that is. How do you say peacocks, Felix?
孔雀.
孔雀. 孔雀. Delicious?
No, never tried it. Maybe today.
Maybe today, yeah. Oh, what a great walk that was. I think we've got a... yeah, we have one of China's favourite. We have ducks. How do you say duck in Chinese?
鸭子.
鸭子. Very delicious indeed, ducks.
北京烤鸭.
Should we go for some roast duck?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey everyone, thanks very much for watching the LTL Mandarin School how-to video series. Please like and subscribe our channel and please come back for more next time.